Rarebit. In a pan, I've got about 15 grams of butter that I'm going to melt. I'm making my rarebit with crumpets. I know, normally you would have it on toast, but I want to have all of that gorgeous sauce filling all those gorgeous holes. So I'm going to melt the butter. My butter is melted. I'm putting in a teaspoon of flour. And I'm just going to stir that. I'm going to put a teaspoon of English mustard in. And a teaspoon of Worcester sauce. And give that a stir. I'm using pale ale. I'm going to start with about 60 ml. You can use bitter, but I personally don't like bitter. I'm going to whisk this in gradually. And if you don't want to use beer, you can use milk. But why would you make rarebit without beer? And I'm sure you can find someone to drink most of it. Now, because I'm making this in a crumpet, I actually want this slightly wetter than I would if I was making it on toast, because I want it to be able to drop into the holes in the crumpets. So I've put 60 ml in. I might add a little bit more. I'm going to add another 20 ml. Somebody messaged me the other day and asked, could I do a croque monsieur? And I will do a croque monsieur at some point. But frankly, this is the British version. And I think it's quite superior. So this is now the consistency of double cream. I've got 125 grams of mature cheddar. I'm going to put this in. I'm just going to tell you a story now. I did a TV programme, it's a while ago now. I did post a picture recently of me with Fred Syria, William Sitwell, Jay Rayner and Michelle Roux. And it was a programme called The Ultimate Shopping List, or where we blind tasted things that you can buy. And one of the blind tastings we did was cheddar cheese, where we tasted an artisan cheese, a supermarket own brand cheese, one of the discount supermarkets, so a Lidl or an Aldi cheese, and the market leader. They were blind tasting, and the cheese that won was Cathedral City. So that is what I use now. I always have a pack of Cathedral City in my fridge. So you're just going to keep whisking this now until all the cheese is melted and you have a beautiful silky cheese sauce. While that's happening, I'm going to toast 4 crumpets. I'm also going to preheat my grill. I've got some toasted crumpets, 4. This is for 2 people, or 4 people if you only want 1 crumpet, but for a main course I want 2. You want to butter the crumpets because the butter will go in the holes and will help stop it going soggy. Take your cheese sauce off the heat. I've got 1 egg yolk and I'm going to beat that into the sauce off the heat. I'm going to add plenty of black pepper. I'm now going to take my time pouring this on the crumpets, dividing it between the 4 crumpets and allowing time for it to sink into the holes and then top it up. I'm going to pop that under the grill until it starts bubbling and looking perfect. I'm going to serve mine. I'm going to serve mine with a little bit of rocket salad on the side. Dressed with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of balsamic, which is really going to complement it. These look fantastic. This is a very glamorous cheese on toast. I'm going to finish these with just the merest splash of Worcester sauce. And a generous crack of black pepper. And that is Crumpet Rarebit.